Imagine stepping into your backyard on a warm summer evening and spotting deep purple eggplants hanging like ornaments beneath lush green leaves. You reach out, gently twist one free, and feel that quiet satisfaction. This is something you grew yourself. Fresh, glossy, chemical-free, and bursting with flavor. If you've ever believed growing eggplant is difficult or only for experienced gardeners, you're about to discover a completely different reality. Eggplant is surprisingly beginner-friendly when you understand its simple needs, and once you get it right, it rewards you generously. It all begins with warmth. Eggplant thrives in heat and absolutely loves long summer days. In the United States, the best time to start growing eggplant is after the last frost, when the soil has warmed up to at least 65–70 F. Planting too early can slow growth or damage young plants, so patience at the beginning sets the stage for success later. Choosing the right location is one of the most important steps. Eggplant needs full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. The more sunlight your plant receives, the more energy it has to produce. Strong stems, healthy leaves, and large, glossy fruits. A bright backyard bed, raised garden, or even a sunny patio with containers can work perfectly. Soil is the foundation of everything. Eggplant prefers rich, well-draining soil loaded with organic matter. Mixing compost into your soil before planting improves both fertility and drainage. Avoid compacted or heavy clay soil, as it can restrict root growth and lead to poor yields. Loose, airy soil allows roots to expand freely, which is essential for a productive plant. When planting, space your eggplant seedlings about 18 to 24 inches apart. This gives them room to grow wide and tall without competing for nutrients. If you're growing in containers, choose pots that are at least 12–16 inches deep with good drainage holes. Eggplant roots need space to spread and breathe. Watering plays a crucial role in growing healthy eggplants. The goal is consistency. Eggy plants prefer evenly moist soil, not too dry and not waterlogged. Water deeply too. 3 times per week, depending on weather conditions. During hot summer days, you may need to water more frequently. Always water at the base of the plant to keep leaves dry and reduce the risk of disease. Mulching is a simple yet powerful technique. Adding a layer of organic mulch around your eggplant helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent weeds. This keeps your plant stress-free and focused on growth. Feeding your eggplant properly is the key to lush growth and abundant harvests. Start with nutrient-rich soil, then apply a balanced fertilizer every couple of weeks. Once the plant begins flowering, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus to support fruit development. Organic options like compost tea or well-rotted manure can provide steady nutrition. As your eggplant grows, you'll notice strong stems and large leaves forming a dense canopy. Supporting your plant with stakes or cages is highly recommended, especially once fruits begin to develop. Eggplants can become heavy, and support prevents branches from breaking. Pruning is not complicated but can make a big difference. Removing lower leaves improves air circulation and reduces the risk of fungal issues. You can also pinch off excess shoots to direct the plant's energy toward fruit production. A well-managed plant produces bigger and healthier eggplants. One of the most beautiful moments in the growing process is flowering. Eggplant flowers are delicate and often purple or white, with a star-like shape. These blossoms soon transform into small fruits, which grow rapidly under the right conditions. Harvesting eggplant at the right time is crucial. The best eggplants are firm, glossy, and slightly tender when pressed. If left too long on the plant, they become dull and develop a bitter taste. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruits throughout the season. Now let's talk about common problems and how to solve them easily. If your eggplant isn't producing fruit, the issue is often temperature or pollination. Eggplants prefer temperatures between 70–85 degrees F. Extremely high or low temperatures can reduce fruit set. Ensuring good airflow and attracting pollinators like bees can improve results. Yellow leaves can be caused by overwatering, poor drainage, or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering routine and consider adding fertilizer if needed. Pests like aphids, flea beetles, and spider mites can appear, but they are manageable. Neem oil, insecticidal soap, or simply rinsing plants with water can keep pests under control. If fruits are small or misshapen, inconsistent watering or lack of nutrients is usually the cause. Maintaining a steady care routine solves most of these issues. Growing eggplant is more than just producing vegetables. It's about building a connection with your garden. Each stage, from planting to harvesting, brings a sense of progress and achievement. Even if you start with just one plant, the experience is incredibly rewarding. Container gardening makes eggplant accessible to everyone. Whether you live in a house with a backyard or an apartment with a balcony, you can successfully grow eggplant with the right setup. Containers allow you to control soil quality, move plants for better sunlight, and manage watering easily. Eggplant is also a continuous producer. Once it starts fruiting, it keeps going as long as conditions remain favorable. This means you can enjoy fresh harvests again and again throughout the season. Another benefit of growing your own eggplant is taste. Homegrown eggplants are fresher, softer, and more flavorful than store-bought ones. You'll notice the difference immediately when cooking. As your plant matures, it becomes stronger and more resilient. With proper care, it can handle heat, occasional stress, and still produce abundantly. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners who want reliable results. The journey of growing eggplant teaches patience, observation, and consistency. It shows you how small daily actions, watering, checking leaves, adjusting sunlight, lead to big results over time. So if you've been thinking about starting your gardening journey, eggplant is a perfect place to begin. It's simple, rewarding, and incredibly satisfying. Plant your first seedling, give it sunlight, water, and care. Watch it grow, flower, and produce, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting your own fresh eggplants right at home. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.